Today, I'm showing you a PC build that might seem modest at first glance, but hang tight. By the end of this video, you'll see how these components have been smartly combined to create a powerful system for creative and professional everyday use. Let's start with the graphics card, the Quadro P400 from PNY. This little card is made for professionals, perfect for CAD software, visualization, or multi-monitor setups. It's super compact, draws very little power, and fits almost anywhere. Let's be real, this isn't a card for gamers. 2GB of VRAM just isn't enough. But compared to other workstation cards in this price range, the P400 delivers stable performance and reliable drivers. If you're building a quiet, compact office or design PC, this is a true hidden gem. Don't forget, you'll find links to all the products down in the description. Now let's talk about the heart of this system, the processor. The i5-12600KF is a real powerhouse at this price point. It brings strong single-core performance for gaming and multi-core muscle for content creation and multitasking. With its hybrid architecture of performance and efficiency cores, it's super versatile, whether you're rendering videos or smoothly running multiple applications. Important note, since this model doesn't include integrated graphics, a dedicated GPU is required. Luckily, we've got that covered. If you like setups like this, don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more content, and hit that like button if this video helped you out. For the motherboard, we're building on a solid foundation with the ASUS Prime H510MK. It's compact, but packs all the essentials. M2 for fast SSDs, USB 3.2, solid power delivery, and room for future upgrades. Sure, it's not made for heavy overclocking, but it's absolutely reliable for a stable work or daily use system. RAM is your system's short-term memory. The more you have, the better it handles multiple programs at once. We're going with 16GB in dual channel, which is more than enough for most tasks, even demanding ones. The 3200 MHz speed helps move data quickly, and the value for money on this kit is excellent. For storage, we're using a 960GB SSD from Patriot. It boots up Windows and apps quickly and gives you plenty of room for projects, software, and data. Yes, SATA is slower than NVMe, but in real-world use, you'll rarely notice the difference. And this SSD is very affordable for what it offers. To keep the CPU cool under load, we're using a tower cooler with ARGB lighting. The SE214XT not only looks great, but it also runs quietly and efficiently. If you want some color inside your case without going full liquid cooling, this is a great and budget-friendly option. We're playing it safe with the power supply. 600 watts is more than enough for this build. This model from Timetec is efficiency certified and delivers stable power. No frills, just solid quality. For a mid-range PC like this one, it's a smart and reliable choice. Finally, let's take a look at the case. The MUSETEX NN8 is a real eye-catcher with its ARGB fans and glass side panel. It offers enough space for all your components, solid airflow, and a clean, stylish look for your desk setup. Cable management can be a bit tricky, but if you take your time, you'll end up with a neat, glowing build. That wraps up today's PC build, optimized for productivity and daily use, with some visual flair thrown in. You'll find links to all the components down in the video description. If you enjoyed the video, leave a like, drop your questions in the comments, and subscribe to the channel so you don't miss future builds. See you next time!